कॉलेज में लगता है कि कॉर्पोरेट लाइफ सिंपल है एंड द ओनली हार्ड पार्ट इज गेटिंग अ प्लेसमेंट, बट दैट इज सो नॉट इट माई फ्रेंड. काम अच्छा करो और प्रमोशन मिलेगा. लाइफ डज नॉट वर्क लाइक दैट. फर्स्ट फ्यू मंथ्स में रियलिटी हिट करती है एंड यू रियलाइज दिस इज ऑल आउट ऑफ सिलेबस. Hi, I'm Anisha. I work in the banking and financial sector and I have made far too many mistakes in my corporate career to earn the right to make this video. So consider this as the HR orientation session which they do not conduct. So if you're about to start your corporate journey or you've just started and you're a little confused like the rest of us, I think this is the best video for you and you should stay here. Here are the 5 things I wish someone had told me when I started my corporate career, but someone did not. So I am going to tell you, starting with point 1. Your manager matters way more than your company. There, I said it. You could be in your dream company, but you could be having a terrible experience because of a bad manager. You have just made the transition from college to corporate life, and I know not many people talk about it, but it is really very difficult when you're roaming all day around, but then you are stuck in your desk and you have to work for 8 hours a day. Your manager could literally make or break your experience. A supportive manager holds your hand while you are sunking, you're figuring out how to do this, how to do that. Basically ऑफर लेटर कंपनी देती है लेकिन रोज का मूड मैनेजर डिसाइड करता है. आई विश वी हैड एन ऑप्शन टू चेक द मैनेजर रेटिंग ऑन Glassdoor. Point 2. Hard work is not enough. Visibility matters. Trust me when I say this, but visibility and communication in the right forums is what gets you seen. You often think that good work directly means recognition, but the equation is so not direct. You need to communicate what you are doing in the right forum so that people could see you. Because see, there are a lot of people in office who are doing a lot of things and no one is going to remember. If no one communicates it, nobody remembers. So whatever you are doing, you're automating a report, you're creating something new, you are making a dashboard, just say it. अपने आप से Excel manager के inbox में नहीं जाता. You have to say it. And the very important learning, corporate में वही बिकता है जो दिखता है. Point 3. Excel is a career cheat code. मुझे लगता था Excel एक सॉफ्टवेयर है and you just use it to make tables and dashboards and reports and all things like that. But Excel एक सुपर पावर है and you need to learn it as soon as you can. There are a number of tutorials available on YouTube, on Instagram as well, and you can master it. So basically when I joined my first big girl job, मुझसे VLOOKUP भी नहीं लगता था. I had to ask literally 2 people, just to get rid of that value error. But now I walk on the floor and I tell people, even my seniors, that you should use XStack here, use XLOOKUP there. So I would say that someone who can work on Excel, talk Excel, who can clean a report, who can make sense out of it is the go-to person for a lot of things. So you should learn Excel. Point 4. Nobody knows what they are doing initially. I remember when I joined office, I almost had an imposter syndrome because I used to think that these people are so smart. They're talking about such big numbers, their impact, and these abbreviations. I could not understand. On my second week in office, I think, I went to a meeting and I could not understand or comprehend what they were talking about. Like, I came out of the meeting, I had notes, but I understood nothing in that meeting. I was just writing whatever they were talking about. Then eventually, 2 to 3 months later, I realized that not everyone in that room knew what they were talking about. Most people are just figuring things out as they go, like even your bosses and their bosses. So I was feeling that I am the only person who is left out of this conversation and who does not know what is happening. So that is completely okay. Everyone is figuring out and this is how life works. सब लोग wing कर रहे हैं. So don't take the burden of that you do not belong here just because you do not understand what is happening in the meeting. But one quick tip I would like to advise all of my fellow freshers who are just joining or who have joined few days back to learn a few corporate jargons because they would help you sound fancier, and I think that is what sells in corporate a lot. You should know a few words like let's circle back or let's look at the low hanging fruits. These things make you look that you belong here. I know they do not add to your knowledge, but they just make you look smart. Point 5. Job descriptions are fiction. Job description एक trailer है और आपका actual role is a web series and they may or may not correlate. I've been to places where the job description was entirely different from what I was doing on a daily basis. The prime example, they are selling sales roles under business development category. I do not think that this is the right way to advertise your role. Someone who is not entirely interested for a sales role, why would they do business development? And someone who is coming from a business development niche, why would they do sales? So I think companies should do better when they are giving their JDs, which makes me come to the point that you should always ask your recruiter or your manager or whoever you are in contact with that what a day in my life would look like if I get this job. This is a very important question which you must ask. These are probably the 5 biggest lessons I've learned so far in my corporate life. Still learning, still making few new mistakes. And if you're someone working, do let me know to which do you relate the most. And if you're someone who is yet to join, all the very best, my friend. I hope this video saves you some surprises. To the next time, bye.